Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming consent and turning on required settings. Make sure location services and background app refresh are enabled. This ensures continuous updates. Once done, open the location sharing app you both use, Apple Find My, Google Maps, or WhatsApp. Tap Share Location or New Share, then select the person from contacts. You should see a permission prompt. Request sharing for a set duration or indefinitely. This first step initiates the live feed and prepares the other device to accept your request. Once the request appears on the other device, you guide them to accept and allow precise location access so coordinates aren't generalized. After acceptance, choose the sharing duration. Pick indefinite only if necessary. Make sure both phones use high-accuracy location, GPS, Wi-Fi, and mobile data, so live updates remain precise. You should also confirm the app has background permissions and battery optimization exclusions to prevent throttling. If necessary, enable device-specific high accuracy or location services modes for better. You now view the person's live position on the map and can tap for details like ETA or route. To stop, open the share settings and choose Stop Sharing or Remove Access. This revokes live updates immediately. If the location freezes, force refresh the map, confirm both devices have network connectivity, and recheck location permissions and battery-saving settings. One troubleshooting tip. If updates are stale, toggle location services off and on, reboot the app, and confirm the app is allowed to run in background to restore regular live updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.